If your home feels a bit cramped or you're looking for ways to make your living areas feel more open and inviting, Bow Windows offer a beautiful and practical solution. Known for their curved design and multiple glass panels, Bow Windows extend outward from your home, creating additional space while enhancing both style and functionality. For homeowners who want to maximize their interior without a full renovation, Bow Windows are a smart and visually striking upgrade. One of the most immediate benefits of Bow Windows is how they physically expand your living space. Unlike flat windows, Bow Windows project outward, adding extra square footage to a room. While the increase may seem modest, it creates a noticeable difference in how the space feels and functions. This added area can be used in a variety of ways, such as a cozy seating nook, a reading corner, or even a display space for plants or decor. Beyond the physical expansion, Bow Windows also create a powerful visual sense of openness. Their curved structure allows for a wider field of view, making your room feel larger and less confined. By drawing the eye outward, Bow Windows blur the boundary between indoors and outdoors, giving your home a more spacious and airy atmosphere without altering the overall layout. Another key advantage is the way Bow Windows maximize natural light. With multiple glass panels arranged in a gentle arc, they allow sunlight to enter from different angles throughout the day. This increased exposure to natural light brightens your interior and reduces the need for artificial lighting. A well-lit space not only looks more inviting but can also improve your mood and make your home feel more comfortable overall. Bow Windows are also ideal for creating a functional focal point within your home. Their unique design naturally draws attention, making them a standout feature in living rooms, dining areas, or bedrooms. Homeowners often use this space creatively, adding cushions for a window seat, installing shelves, or designing a relaxing spot to enjoy the view. This added functionality enhances both the usability and enjoyment of your living space. From a design perspective, Bow Windows offer versatility and elegance. They complement a wide range of architectural styles, from traditional homes to more modern designs. Their graceful curve adds a sense of sophistication, while customizable options, such as frame materials, finishes, and glass styles, allow you to tailor them to your home's aesthetic. In addition to expanding space and improving design, Bow Windows can contribute to better ventilation when paired with operable side panels. While the center panes are typically fixed, the outer windows can often be opened to allow fresh air into your home. This combination of airflow and natural light creates a more comfortable and refreshing indoor environment. Energy efficiency is another important consideration. Modern Bow Windows are designed with advanced materials and insulated glass that help maintain indoor temperatures. Features like double or triple pane glass and low-E coatings reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. This not only improves comfort but can also lead to long-term energy savings. Bow Windows also enhance your home's curb appeal and overall value. Their distinctive look adds character to your exterior, making your home stand out in the neighborhood. Potential buyers often appreciate features that combine beauty with functionality, and Bow Windows check both boxes. This makes them a worthwhile investment if you're thinking about long-term value or future resale. Another benefit homeowners appreciate is the connection to the outdoors that Bow Windows provide. With panoramic views and increased natural light, you can enjoy your surroundings from the comfort of your home. Whether it's a garden, backyard, or scenic view, Bow Windows bring a sense of tranquility and openness to your living space. Finally, Bow Windows are a relatively low-maintenance upgrade. Built with durable materials and fewer moving parts, they are designed for long-lasting performance. Routine cleaning and basic upkeep are typically all that's needed to keep them looking and functioning like new. In the end, Bow Windows offer a unique combination of space, style, and functionality. By expanding your interior both physically and visually, they transform your living areas into brighter, more open, and more enjoyable spaces. If you're looking to enhance your home without major construction, bow windows are a smart and rewarding choice.